Is the Garmin Cirqa actually worth it, or is it just hype? Let's cut through the noise and get real, because honestly, most of what you've heard is based on leaks, not hands-on reviews. As of May 2026, Garmin Cirqa is still more rumor than reality for most people, but here's what we really know. First off, Cirqa is a screenless smart band, designed for people who want to track recovery, sleep, and stress, without staring at their wrist all day. Think of it as Garmin's answer to Whoop. It focuses on heart rate variability, skin temperature, and detailed sleep stages. The design? Super minimalist. No screen. Just wear it and forget it. Now, the battery life is about a week per charge. Not as crazy long as a Fenix, but on par with other tiny bands. You get Bluetooth, ANT+, and Wi-Fi, so it slots right into Garmin Connect. No extra hoops. But does it do what it promises? Here's where things get tricky. Garmin's sleep tracking has always been a little behind Apple or Fitbit. And for a product like this, accuracy is everything. Early users say the data is decent, but some are still waiting for software updates, especially for nap tracking and weird sleep patterns. The real draw is for cyclists or runners who already use a Garmin device, but hate sleeping in a bulky watch. If that's you, this band could finally bridge your data without double counting your workouts or messing up your body battery score. But if you want to see your heart rate or pace mid-run, Cirqa's got nothing for you. There's literally no display. So, is it worth it? If you want pure recovery data in a discrete package, and you're already in the Garmin ecosystem, it might be perfect. Otherwise, you may want to wait for those software updates before jumping in.